Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and doing well. And all the previous videos, whatever I have sent for the linear equation in two variables, I think I have sent you two videos. Both you have seen it, might be enjoyed by solving the problems and also solving the problems from a textbook. In my last video, I have told you every linear equation in two variable, when you draw graphically, you are getting a straight line. It's always true. Linear equation in two variable, whenever you are drawing a graph, always you get a straight line graph. And today we are going to check it. In every case, you are going to get a straight line. Let us start the graphical method. So graphical. Okay. Let me take a simple example. X plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 6. Dear children, what is to be done? One of the variable keep in the LHS, the other variable can be shifted to RHS. It is your mission which you are keeping in the LHS, which you are transferring to RHS. But it is always convenient. Listen to this point. It is always convenient to keep y in the LHS, x can be shifted to the RHS. It is not by rule. I am stressing this point. It is not by rule. It is our convenience. Always see that y must be in the LHS, x can be shifted to the RHS along with the constant. Okay? I will write therefore y is equals to 6 minus x. I will retain y in the LHS. And always I want y in the LHS as far as the graphical method is concerned. Earlier we have solved a problem where they asked me make 5 solutions. Not graphical. Find 5 solutions. In that case, either you can keep in the x in the LHS, you can keep in the y in the LHS, that makes no difference. But when graphical method is concerned, better you keep y in the LHS. Okay? Now I will go for some values. Different values for x I will substitute. Different values for x I will substitute, and corresponding values of y I will going to get. I will write x and y. Always I put for the x and corresponding value of y I will going to get. Let me say x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. What happens? 6 minus 1, answer is 5. I say x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. 6 minus 2, answer is 4. It is not necessary you should go always in the increasing order. Any value you can put. I will put x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. 6 minus 0 is 6 is the value of y. Y is equal to 6 minus 0. Answer is 6. I will put x is equals to say minus 1 I will put. X is equals to minus 1 I will put. What happens here? If you put minus 1 here, minus of minus is plus. Minus of minus is plus. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Okay? Once again, x is equals to minus 1. Minus of minus is plus. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. I say x is equals to I will take 4. X is equals to 4. क्लास रेकॉर्ड करता हूँ क्लास रेकॉर्ड काय करता तुम्ही सांगा कुठलं बरं पाहिजे मला माहिती असतं सांग कुठलं ठेवलं म्हणून ते नंतर करतो मी सांगतो क्लास मध्ये रेकॉर्ड कर फोन तुम्ही कसं असेल तर सांग तिथं माहिती बघ गाडीवर फ्रीजवर x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4. X is equals to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay? Now, these are the different values I got. Now, these values, my dear children, keep in mind, this one x value and one y value together we call them as coordinates. Keep in mind, this is not a part of your this one. Even I am telling you for your knowledge point of view, these together we call them as a coordinate. One x value and corresponding y value together we call them as a coordinate. Okay. Now these coordinates let me represent on a graph paper. Come on. x1, y5. x1, see, this is x-axis. X-axis 1 is here. And y-axis 5. From here I have to go up. Always see the way of marking. First you see the value of x. X is equals to 1. This is your x-axis. In the x-axis 1 is here. From here either you should go up or you should come down as per the instruction. What is it? Y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5. It is here. It is here. Somewhere you got this point 1 and 5. This is the first point 1 and 5. Second, 2 and 4. X-axis 2. X-axis 2 is here. Okay. And y-axis 4. Go up, go up, go up. Somewhere here. This is y is equals to 2 and 4. Then 0, 6. X-axis 0. X-axis 0 is here. Y-axis 6. Go up. Go up. 6 I have not marked. This is somewhere. This is 6. Okay. I mark this point. X-axis 0. Y-axis 6. This point is somewhere here. I can say minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 7. X-axis minus 1. X-axis minus 1 is here. Y-axis 7. 7 is again going up. Again going up. I will mark here. This is 7. Okay. X-axis minus 1. Y-axis 7. X-axis minus 1. Y-axis 7. This is somewhere here. X is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to 7. This is somewhere here. At last, 4 and 2. X is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 is here. Y is equals to 2 is here. You can mark this point. And when you try to join them, you can find that all will be in a straight line. And when you join them, you are getting a straight line. This is the straight line for x plus y is equals to 6. Now at the end of the graph, you have to write the scale. This is very, very important. Scale. Scale has to be mentioned in the right corner. See, on the x-axis also I have taken numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Difference is 1. Y-axis also I have taken difference as 1, 1, 1. I can write in common 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. In case I have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I can say 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. I can write. This is all about your first problem. Let me go for one more problem. I will sort of draw it here only. I will take the problem like this. X minus y is equals to, I can say 3. X minus y is equals to 3. Now listen to me, students. What happens? I have told you, always prefer y in the LHS. This was my statement earlier. And I manage here y in the LHS. But here y is negative. Keep in mind, no doubt y must be in the LHS, but as well as see that y must be positive also. See, both has to be satisfied. Y must be positive, y must be in the LHS. How it is possible? What I will do, whenever minus is there, see there the problem was simple because y was positive. So I kept y in the LHS only and transferred x to the RHS. But here the problem is y must be in the LHS also, and y must be positive also. So what I will do, whenever y is negative, listen, keeping this point in your mind, when y is negative, time being let me take it to the RHS. Time being I will take it to the RHS and I can write this 3 I will bring it to the LHS. X minus 3 is equals to y. X minus 3 is equals to y. Now can I interchange why the sign is not changed? My dear children, whenever in an equation one element is transferred either from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, sign definitely will change. But entire LHS to RHS, entire RHS to LHS, sign will not change. Sign will not. For example, x plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to x plus 3. There is no change in sign. But if one number is transferred from LHS to RHS, then x is equals to 5 minus 3 it will be. If entire things are interchanged, sign will not change. Okay. Now, let me go for a table again. Let me go for a table. Okay, x and y, come on. I can give any value for x. I will give x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Y is equals to 2. I will take x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. I may not, it may not be possible for you to go for x. I can go for 6. X is equals to 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. That is the value of y. Y is equals to 3. I can go x is equals to say minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. Take this minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3, when both are minus, keep the minus as it is, add the numbers. It is minus 5. Y is equals to minus 5. Right? I can put x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. That is the value of y. Y is equals to minus 3. I can put x enough. These many values are sufficient for you. 4 values I have taken. Then these values I am going to represent. These values I am going to represent in a graph paper. Come on. 5 to x-axis 5. X-axis 5, it is here. From here, either I have to go up or come down. Where I should go? Go to 2. 2 is a positive, towards up. From here I can go up. This is 5 or 2. First I should come to 5. X-axis always, I have told you, this is called the coordinate. Always first value is x, second value is y. X is equals to 5. X is equals to 5, it is here. Y is equals to 2. Go up. Y is equals to 2. This is the 5. 6, 3. X-axis 6. It is here. Y-axis 3. Y-axis 3. On the top, somewhere here, it is 3. Okay. Minus 2 minus y. X is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. It is here. From here, I should go up or come down. What have told? Come to minus 5. Minus 5 is towards down. So minus 2, minus 5. It is somewhere here. Minus 2 and minus 5. Okay. 0 minus 3. X-axis 0 is here. From here, I can go up or I can come down. Where I should come? I should come to minus 3. 0 minus 3. It is somewhere here. Now, if you try to join them, you are always getting a straight line. You are always getting a straight line. Your minus 5 is somewhere here. Okay, so you are getting a straight line graph always, and you can write the equation. X minus y is equals to 3. Again, the units are same. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay. Let me go for one more and the last. I can say x plus 2y is equals to 8. X plus 2y is equals to 8 is my next equation. I have told you the method. Y must be in the LHS. y must be positive. Y is already positive. No need to take any tension there. I can write therefore 2y is equals to 8 minus x. See, one of the term I have shifted to LHS to RHS. So plus x becomes minus x. Okay. Then what happens? Now y alone is not there. Along with that one 2 is there. I don't want that 2 in the LHS. Only I want y. So this is a multiplication, 2 into y. So that 2 I can bring it to the denominator. I can say y is equals to 8 minus x divided by 2. See, divided by 2. In my earlier case, y was having coefficient 1. So the problem was not arising. Now y is having coefficient 2. So it was 2y. But I want only y in the LHS. 2 has to be taken out. So this was a multiplication operation here. So it will come as a division here. Now what I can do? I can go for some values. I can go for some values. At least 4 values I will do. Okay, x and y. You put any value. You put any value. I will put x is equals to 1. So see properly. X is equals to 1. 8 minus 1, 7. But by 2 is there. 7 by 2. Answer is 3.5. That is the value of y. Y is equals to 3.5. I will write here. I will put x is equals to 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 2. First let me write x is equals to 2. Okay. So 6 by 2. Answer is 3. 3 is the value of y. Y is equals to 3. I can use some different values. I can put x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 I can put. 4. X is equals to 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2 is the value of y. Y is equals to 2. I can put x is equals to 5 also. 5. X is equals to 5. Okay. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 2 is 1.5. That is the value of y. Y is equals to 1.5. Let me represent these values on a graph paper. Okay. Come on. 1, 3.5. X-axis 1. X-axis 1. X-axis 1 is here. Y-axis 3.5. 3.5 is, my dear children, this is 3, this is 4, 3.5 somewhere lies here. You can see it very well on your graph paper. You can see it very well in your graph paper. In between 3 to 4 there are 10 lines. The fifth line 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. You can find it very easily on the graph paper. This is 1, 3.5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It is somewhere here. 2, 3. Okay. 4, 2, 4, 2. This is somewhere here. 4, 2. Then 5, 1.5. 1.5 lies between 1 and 2. 1.5 somewhere here. 1.5 is somewhere here. And this is the point. Okay. This is 5, 1.5. If you try to join them, you have to get a straight line graph. You have to get a straight line graph. You have to get a straight line graph, and you can write the equation what? X plus 2y is equals to 8. X plus 2y is equals to 8. So this is the way you can solve any equation graphically, and you can confirm that. In every case you are going to get a straight line graph. Now listen to me, students. I have drawn a straight line and I marked some points here. What are they? They are called as the solutions of the equation. See, These are called the solutions of the equations, and whatever on the straight line, whatever I mark here, they are also the solutions of the equation. By chance, I have drawn one more straight line like this. If I draw one more straight line like this, and there are some points like this, they are also called as the solutions of this equation. One more equation is, and this is called as a common solution. This is called as a common solution. That's what in my previous video I have told you. Every equation has infinite number of solutions, and every solution has infinite number of equations. Both ways is true. Every equation has infinite solutions, what I have shown here, and every solution has infinite number of equations. See, say this is a solution. Say it is 2, 3. This is the equation for. This is the solution for this equation also. This is the solution for this equation also. There may be one more line like this, in which these are all the solutions. These are all the solutions of this equation. But this is the common solution for this straight line also. There may be one more straight line like this, and all these are what? The solutions of the equation. For all these equations, this is a common solution. So we say every solution has infinite number of equations, and every equation has infinite number of solutions. Okay? We have two more problems on the board. Let me first explain. I will tell you the meaning. Then if it is possible, you can solve of your own. Come on. What they say? This is one equation here. 4y is equals to kx plus 2 is the equation. And you know that this equation has infinite number of solutions, because every linear equation has infinite number of solutions. And they say this is one of the solution for this equation. This is lies on the graph. A point lies on the graph means the meaning is it is one of the solution. Okay, find the value of x. Very simple. Equation is 4y is equals to kx plus 2. For this equation, one of the solution is given. I have told you this is called as a coordinate. The first value always refers the value of x, and second value refers always the value of y. That gets substituted this. That's all. It is 4 into y is equals to 3 is equals to k. The value has to be found into value of x. X is equals to 5 plus 2. 12 is equals to 5k plus 2. I will shift this 2 to the LHS. 12 minus 2 is equals to 5k. 10 is equals to 5k. Therefore, k is equals to 10 by 2. Therefore, k is equals to 10 by 5. Answer is equals to 2. That is the end of the problem. There is one more problem. Looks to be very lengthy, but a very, very simple solution is. Come on. A taxi fare in a city, the taxi fare, how it is, for the first kilometer. Whenever you are going and sitting in the auto wala turns the meter towards you and it shows 15 rupees. That is, for the first kilometer, it is 15 rupees. And for the subsequent distance, for every next kilometer, it is rupees 7. And it is rupees 7. And it is rupees 7. Every kilometer. Say for example, you have gone only 2 kilometers. Listen very carefully, that will help you in forming the equation. Yes, you have gone for the 2 kilometers. How much you have to pay? First kilometer, 15. Next 1 kilometer. Even though you have traveled for 2 kilometers, first kilometer is 15. And next kilometer is 7. 15 plus 7, you have to pay 22 rupees. This is the way the problem has to be solved. See, this is always first kilometer 15. Suppose you have gone for 3 kilometers. First kilometer 15 and you will calculate 2 kilometers at the rate of 7 rupees. Though it is 3 kilometers, one has to be reduced. Why one has to be reduced? Because for the first kilometer it is 15 rupees. This point has to be noted. Say for example, he has gone for 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers he has gone. First kilometer 15, remaining 9 kilometers only at the rate of 7. Hope that you understood. Okay, how to start? Write a linear equation by making the total distance covered as x drawn as x and the total fare is y. Total amount is y. What I will write? See, total amount. Okay, let distance covered is equals to x, and let total fare or total fare be y. So I will write y is equal to, y means what? The total amount. Total amount is equals to, see, first kilometer 15 rupees. 50 plus, listen now, he has gone for x kilometer. My dear children, this is a very, very important one. Make a note, listen very carefully. He has gone for x kilometers. Had he gone for 10 kilometers, how much we used to calculate for 7 rupees? 9 kilometer at the rate of 7 rupees, because first kilometer already merged with 15 rupees. So first kilometer 15 rupees. Suppose I am giving you the example of 10 kilometers. So first kilometer 15 rupees, remaining 9 kilometers at the rate of rupees 7, 1 less. Now he has gone for x kilometer. In that x kilometer, what he has travelled, first kilometer 15 rupees. First kilometer 15 rupees. Means how much kilometer left out? 1 less than this. 1 less than this means it is x minus 1 into at the rate of 7 rupees. Hope that you understood. See, this is the total cost. This is the total distance. In this total distance, x kilometer, there are two parts. First kilometer, 15 rupees, and 1 less of x means x minus 1 kilometers at the rate of 7 rupees. So it is 15 plus x minus 1 into 7, which is equals to 15 plus 7x minus 7, which is equals to 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 plus 7x is equals to y. This is the linear equation for this particular problem. But only thing to be noted, x is the total distance. In this there are two parts. In the total distance of x there are two parts. First kilometer is separate, remaining all kilometers are separate. Remaining all kilometer means already first kilometer is gone. So x minus 1 means x minus 1 kilometer at the rate of 7 rupees, and the problem can be solved. My dear children, this is one more problem related to graph. See, in my earlier problem what I have done, I have given you the equation and I told you solve graphical. What you have done? You have converted that equation y is equal to something. You have drawn a table. You given different values for x, and you got the corresponding value of y, which are called as the coordinates. And you know that infinite number of solutions can be made, and you have drawn a graph. But now the question is reversed. The graph is given to you, and 4 equations are given, and your work is out of these 4 equations, which is the correct equation for this straight line. What I have to do? See, I will see the coordinates. Minus 1, 1. X value, y. X value, y. X is minus 1, y is plus 1. See the first option. Y is equal to x. Both numbers are same. Numbers are same, but the sign is reversed. So the first option is wrong. Okay. Coming to the second option. X plus y is equals to 2. Both when you add, you are getting answer as 2. 1 minute, sorry, not x plus y is not equals to 2 is equal to 0. X plus y is equals to 0. Second option. If you add both, the answer must be 0. If you add both, plus 2 minus 2, answer is 0. Minus 1 plus 1, answer is 0. Minus 3 plus 3, answer is 0. That means the second option is the correct answer. If you want, you can check it. But definitely, one straight line for this equation means the chances are less. Even then, let us check. Y value is double the x. Y value is double the x. But it is not double, so wrong. They say is the fourth equation. Let me check. I will put y is equals to minus 2. I will put y is equals to minus 2. And I will see x is equals to 2. Let me see whether both answers are same or not. 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 6 and plus 2 answer is minus 4. Whereas this is 14. So this is also wrong. So this is the correct answer. Let me go for this. Let me see what are the coordinates given to you. They have given this point. It is 0, 2. X-axis 0, y-axis 2. They have given one point here. X-axis 2, y-axis 0. 2, 0. They have given one more point here. This is minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. These are called as solutions of the equations. I have told you a linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. These are all called as solutions of the equation. Now my work is out of these four, which is the correct answer. Let me check the first one. They say for x add 2, for x add 2, you are getting value of 1. Come on, let me check here. This is x value, this is y value. X value is 0, x value is 0, y value is 2. Let me check. Am I right? 0 plus 2, answer is 2. This is correct. Let me check for another value. X value, y value. Y value is 3, x value is minus 1. X value is minus 1. Check. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, answer is not 3. That means this is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, the first equation is wrong. It should satisfy all the coordinates. Okay. If I can check here also. X value is 2, y value is 0. 2 plus 2 is not 0. That means the first equation is wrong. Coming to the second equation. X minus 2 is equals to y. X minus 2 is equals to y. I will substitute. This is x value, this is y value. X value minus 1, y value 3. Minus 1 minus 2 gives you minus 3, whereas this is 3. That means this is also wrong. Coming to the third equation. Okay. Y is equals to minus x plus 2. Let me check here. X value, y value. I will put x value as minus 1. X value as minus 1. X value as minus 1. Y value as 3. Check it. Minus of minus. Minus of minus is plus. Plus 1 plus 2, answer is 3. This is correct. I will go for one more value. X0, Y2. X0, Y2. Check it. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Plus 2. 2. Answer is right. Let me go for one more. X is 2. Y is 0. Let me check here. This is minus 2 plus 2. Answer is 0. That means this is the right equation. Let me check here. Let me check here. I can put any value. X value minus 1. X value minus 1. Y value 3 plus 2 into 3. I should answer as 6. This is 6 minus 1. Answer will be 5, which is not equal to 6. That means this is also wrong. In this way, when equation is given, you can draw graphically. When a graph is given, you can identify which is the correct equation based on the coordinates. So this is how the problem can be solved. So we will stop here. In my next video, there are plenty of problems in exercise 4.3. That all we will take up in my next video. This much you try to understand, see it once, twice, till you get complete satisfaction and try to solve the problems of the textbook. Okay.